That is gold. Silver? What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We're here at a pod, not a storage unit, a pod, which is, I guess it's technically still a storage unit, but look, it's not like a storage technically facility like normal. We paid a little bit more than $1,100 for it, but it's pretty sizable. Look, let me go to the side. It's pretty full, pretty big pod. We pulled out a couple of these boxes like that are labeled paintings like this, and we haven't actually looked in it. We just put them in the trailer, but they're big just like this. Two other ones could be some nice paintings, and this is full pretty much to the brim. Every single storage unit is gonna be this kitchen box. I'm just used to it at this point, guys. My favorite box always. Kitchen.
Find a Cutco set, Michael.
All right. Very nicely wrapped kitchen stuff. Look at that. Like I can't see a brand, but I don't think this is antique, but I don't want to unwrap it. It's probably sold at the flea market as is. That's wrapped like this for relatively cheap.
Royal Copenhagen, that is actually...
That's a good brand?
It's not bad.
It's not bad, it's not good, it's in between.
See, this could be good, this could be bad. I don't know, but I don't want to damage stuff. Lois something?
Lois, Francis, maybe? Alright everybody, so the pirate just opened up this box and I don't know too much about this military stuff. You guys use your imagination on the rest of this. He said this is like $100 to $200
minimum.
Bare minimum. We are not experts exactly too, by the way, so we don't exactly know. Ooh. This right here, wow guys. I am like, me personally, I have really no idea what I'm looking at.
Never seen that.
This is rare to him. I remember like 10 years ago, you found like a bunch of stuff like this.
Oh yeah, those are all $100 to $200 bills. Right,
you guys let me know in the comments. You guys know what exactly these badges are from, maybe. Look at that, guys. There's like this person's whole like badges and stuff. His picture. It's like a memorabilia box for somebody. Luckily, they honored him and actually kept it nicely and stuff. Okay, yeah. He's still going, guys. He's still going. Another box just full of more badges.
I don't want to go through too much, but I want to see, you know. He was a doctor.
Ooh, Dr. Herbert. That is gold, isn't it?
No, but look at all that in there, Michael. Bro, we freaking hit. We needed a good unit.
The pirate said this is probably the box, the whole unit right here in this box.
Michael, I've never even seen this armband.
We're gonna have to go talk to our expert. We barely even like took any boxes out of the unit. We still have plenty more to go through. We have no idea what's in the rest of it. It's not even the back yet. The back's normally the most exciting part. This is in the front. What's the rest of the unit gonna look like? All right, let's see what's in this box. It's Diane's undies and socks, nylons. Like, it's obviously not really labeled to be a good box, but you never know what's actually in the box. So, they weren't really lying. I see bra, I see underwear. I don't know what that is. Yeah, there's some other stuff though. Package, first class. I think they're panties. Ooh, what's this? Come on, be in here. I don't think that's what's supposed to be in there. Dang, well, that's a fancy looking box too. It's a bunch of nice stuff. Like, if this Black & Decker thing's in here, that's probably like $100, right? Or, oh, it's for a bush. All right, yeah, that's probably at least $75 then if it's in there. Nice. This looks like a brand new freaking rug, so I'd say at least $50 on that right there. How much is this, Dad?
Looks basic.
All right.
No, but that one right there looks really expensive.
Ooh, look at this guy. I mean, they wrapped the heck out of that. It better be.
Really, I think they call them like aviator chairs, Michael. I'd actually like to sit in one of those.
It's pretty old. West Burn. Is there a year on it? I don't even know. Stamina. Whoa, what is this, guys? This is pretty cool looking. I don't know if this is like old or anything, but this looks pretty sweet. Look at this, how is that?
That's a family tree, Michael.
Looks pretty old.
Are they related to like Lincoln? Or?
1945. That's pretty old. They kept this newspaper.
Like Uncle Michael old or just?
It's about Uncle Michael's age, yeah. This World at War. It's like the first war. I don't know if this is legitimate, but that's pretty cool.
Like you have your living room collection. Your stuff you want to show off, right? I said silver platter. Yeah. Is there a signature on it?
19 clay domain. All right, everybody, look at this, guys. Look at the pirate just found. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sterling silver piece. Let me just pull one out. Oh, look at that, everybody. Sterling is marked clearly right there. We have a whole box of this still. I know the pirate's all giddy because he freaking loves silver, guys. He loves silver, right? That's just one of his favorite things. Did I say sterling?
That's Rogers.
All right, I thought I said sterling, but
silver plate. Not bad though. I'm still not upset.
No, heck yeah, you can't be. That's a lot of silver right there. They look like some nice ones. I was just looking at it.
B&W 704. Look that up.
I'm gonna let everybody in the chat. What is the brand again? I'll let everybody else look it up. B&W 704. Look that up, guys. Let me know in the comments how much that's worth. They look expensive. They look kind of vintagey.
I wonder if they were the persons.
Yeah, it could just be glorifying someone's professional artwork.
Hard to say though, because art is so subjective.
Yeah, it's the Herbert guy.
I'm telling you, there's so much cool stuff.
Dang, look at these freaking like stones. They look like teeth.
They're called spearheads, Michael. They're Native American. That's what arrows used to be made of. That looks like an axe one. That looks like a lot of freaking money right there.
We got ancient these look, guys. We got an older box for like his random little toys and Beanie Babies.
Somebody's toys, yeah. Somebody's kids stuff.
Ooh, some little baby shoes.
And we could do nothing to get this back. Here, Pods, they told us if there's anything you don't want, just throw it in the trash.
There's nothing we can do about it, guys, unfortunately. Now that it's already sold off and they lost their stuff, we can't return it. Like a normal storage unit might be able to return it. All right, y'all, what's in the suitcase? Ooh, some paperwork, it's a little box.
Let's freaking go.
Oh.
Oh.
Dang, what the heck? 57th Bomb Wing, 1942, Africa, Italy, Corsica, 1945. That's pretty like old.
Dang, I've never seen this one, Michael. You see the stitching? It's like gold work in there.
You guys let us know in the comments about this type of stuff. We honestly aren't really too knowledgeable about it.
Hey, speak for yourself, buddy.
Pirate is, but I'm not. But you said he's never even seen that, so we're not knowledgeable with that.
Which one is that?
I don't know. You never
it's called a Silver Eagle.
Silver
That's
Eagle.
a good one.
Dang, all right. We'll just get handed out to you.
Michael, look back there.
Oh, wait.
Corner.
Quarters. Some coins.
Oh my God.
All the coins. A mint set.
That's silver too. It's a Ben Franklin.
Oh.
Gem mint, Michael.
Gem mint. 10 out of 10. But we're getting down to the wire. We are pretty much done with this unit. We're just wrapping up the rest of the stuff to put in there. And yeah, you say you made our money back, Dad?
Michael.
We definitely made our money back.
Like, look at this. Show them this lamp. You ever seen a lamp like that?
This is friggin' art right here, guys. This is art. We don't even know the monetary value, but this is somebody's artwork right here. All those sterling silver pieces, the military stuff, we definitely made our money back. We're gonna show you guys a little bit more later on. All right, everybody, it is later in the day now. It's a couple hours later since we got to the warehouse, and the pirate, my dad, he went through a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna give you guys a little rundown. Check his video out. He did a way bigger rundown of everything. Check his channel out. Silver?
All sterling silver.
Look at all this silver right here, guys. This probably doubles our unit, hopefully, maybe.
And some of them are big too. Like,
yeah, like that.
This is a Rondo Gorham sterling silver set. Right
at least pays for the unit. All this alone at least pays for it on top of this right here, guys.
World War II here, guys.
This is crazy, guys. We were not expecting this to be in the unit at first glance. What were you expecting this unit? Like, what type of items were you expecting?
So, if you remember when I told you there was the metal lamp? So when I saw that unit, it looked like a modern Danish style copper table, 3-legged, and I just thought that it wasn't what it was. It was a weird homemade lamp thing. But
that lamp, yeah,
that made me think Abercrombie and Fish on the one bag, Eddie Bauer, and that. I was just willing to gamble. I took the $1,000 backup bid.
And that was worth it. Oh, the silver. You guys already know he loves silver if you watch his videos. So he might add this to his collection.
I'm really juiced to go through. We just peeked in a few boxes. We didn't even. There was a B&W 704 set of speakers. Those are a couple $1,000 speakers. There was a box marked super high end turntable. I've never even heard of it before. Lynn something $1,000 record player. Who knows? Who plays cheap records on a $1,000 record player? All right,
guys. It's about like a week or two later after recording this, and the silver's gone already. Holy crap, we sold the silver already. Somebody bought all that silver we found off us for about $3,000. Like, holy crap, $3 grand. We only spent $1,000 on the unit itself. Like three times our money in that alone. We sold that speaker. Those 2 speakers. There's 2 of them. I think you took $1,000 deal on it. That's $4,000, right? We're at $4,000, and we did our flea market load. I think we made at least $1,000 or $2 off that. We'll just do generously $1,500 off that. We're making money on this unit, honestly, and we still have all the military stuff. My dad's friend gave him like a $10,000 offer because he said, "Wow, you have a lot of rare stuff I've never seen before." $10,000 right now, and my dad was like, I mean, like, I gotta hold it. I mean, right? Like, so he's holding on to it, trying to learn a bit more about it. But that was a good unit. Upwards, we can almost upwards make 20 times our money on a $1,000 investment. Upwards of $20,000. Now that's max profit. We'll probably make around 10 to 15, which is freaking crazy, right? And with that being said, we are done with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. And put a heart in the comments. Peace out.